Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best helmet mounting solutions for GoPro cameras currently available on the market. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just need a reliable mount for capturing your adventures, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5, we have the vented helmet strap mount for all cameras by GoPro. This mount is perfect for cyclists, climbers, and anyone using a vented helmet. Its adjustable strap design ensures quick and secure mounting without the need for adhesives or tools, making it highly versatile for on-the-go use. In terms of design, it's lightweight at just 1.45 ounces and features GoPro's signature durable build quality. While it's a simple strap mount, the one-size-fits-all approach ensures compatibility with most vented helmets, and it's especially convenient for users who frequently switch between helmets. Performance-wise, this mount provides a stable and secure fit, although it lacks the adhesive strength of other mounts for non-vented helmets. It's ideal for activities like biking, where vented helmets are standard, but it may not be the best choice for high-speed or rugged conditions where vibrations are more prominent. At $14, this is a solid mid-tier option for users seeking portability and ease of use. However, it doesn't offer the flexibility of multi-angle adjustments, which is something to consider when comparing it to other options. Pros: lightweight, easy to install, compatible with vented helmets. Cons: limited to vented helmets, no multi-angle adjustability. At number 4, we have the helmet mount for GoPro by Telesin. Designed specifically for motorcycle enthusiasts, this chin strap attachment ensures your GoPro remains stable, even under high-speed and bumpy conditions. Its flexible 180-degree adjustment and extension J-hook give you a wide range of shooting angles, making it perfect for riders looking to capture immersive first-person footage. The Telesin mount is built with a soft, non-slip silicone base to protect your helmet from scratches while ensuring a secure fit. The upgraded elastic strap system is easy to install and remove, making it highly user-friendly. Additionally, the rounded ABS Y-shaped base eliminates sharp edges, ensuring maximum safety for the user. When it comes to performance, the mount excels in providing stability and versatility for most helmet shapes, whether circular or angular. However, for some camera models, you might need additional adapters or a frame case, which are not included in the package. Priced at $15.99, this mount offers excellent value for motorcycle riders seeking a durable, reusable, and helmet-safe solution. While it's not the most versatile option for non-motorcycle applications, it's a standout choice in its niche. Pros: helmet-safe design, durable materials, ideal for motorcycle riders. Cons: limited compatibility without additional adapters. Slightly niche-specific. At the number 3 spot, we have the Helmet Sticky Mounts Adhesive Buckle Mount Screw Accessory Kit from SameTop. This 12-in-1 bundle is perfect for anyone looking for versatility and value. It includes multiple curved and flat adhesive mounts, quick-release buckles and thumb screws, making it suitable for a wide range of activities, from snowboarding to kayaking. The build quality is impressive, with 3M VHB adhesive and premium plastic materials ensuring a secure and waterproof hold. The addition of rubber locking plugs for the quick-release buckles is a thoughtful touch, as it prevents accidental detachment and reduces vibrations during use. It's also compatible with all GoPro models and many other action cameras, making it a great choice for users with diverse camera setups. In terms of performance, the SameTop kit shines in its ability to adapt to different surface types, whether curved or flat. Its adhesive strength is reliable, but you'll need to follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results. At $16.99, it's slightly more expensive than some other adhesive options, but the additional accessories and build quality justify the price. It's a great all-around solution for action sports enthusiasts. Pros: versatile kit, strong adhesive. Anti-vibration design. Cons: Adhesive requires proper application for optimal performance. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Adhesive Mount Kit Sticky Pads for GoPro by Me Premium. This budget-friendly option is perfect for users looking for a reliable yet affordable solution. The kit includes 10 adhesive mounts, 5 curved and 5 flat, providing plenty of options for mounting your GoPro on various surfaces. The adhesive quality is industrial strength and waterproof, ensuring your GoPro stays secure even in extreme weather conditions. The lightweight PC plastic construction keeps the mounts durable without adding unnecessary bulk. Additionally, the adhesive pads are removable with heat, making them reusable and easy to reposition if needed. For $9.99, this kit offers incredible value, especially given the number of mounts included. It's compatible with all GoPro models as well as other action cameras, making it a versatile addition to your gear. While it lacks the advanced features of premium mounts, its simplicity and reliability make it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Pros: affordable, waterproof, reusable adhesive. Cons: no multi-angle adjustability, basic design. Finally, at the top of our list is the helmet front and side mount by GoPro. This official GoPro accessory stands out for its versatility and premium build quality, making it the best overall choice for mounting your GoPro on a helmet. It offers front and side mounting options, allowing you to capture a variety of angles with ease. The design is lightweight yet robust, featuring an integrated mounting buckle for quick and secure attachment. The kit includes a swivel mount, curved adhesive pads, and multiple thumb screws, giving you everything you need to get started. Its compatibility with all GoPro Hero cameras ensures it's a long-term investment for capturing high-quality footage. Performance-wise, this mount excels in stability and adjustability, even in high-speed or rugged conditions. At $18.85, it's the most expensive option on the list, but its reliability and flexibility make it worth every penny. If you're looking for a premium solution that delivers consistent results, the helmet front and side mount is the way to go. Pros: highly adjustable, premium build quality, versatile mounting options. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.